Hi everyone, my name is Mou Saha. I'm an artist, coloring book author, and an avid art journaler. And today I am going to do an exploration video with my craft plastic. What drew me into this Grafix Opaque white craft plastic that is 0.010 inches and 200 GSM, and this is a 12 by 12 size. There are 4 pieces in here, is that it says watercolor. In my experience, watercolor, it beads up when you use it on a plastic surface. But if it is saying that you can use watercolor, I would like to see how it works with the watercolors I have. So I have cut out a small piece. This is about a 4 inches by 7 inches piece. The size of the piece doesn't matter really. I just cut it out of it, and I would like to try my watercolors with this. These are just regular pan watercolors. It's January. I live in a cold weather climate, so the outside is gloomy. So the one thing that cheers me up every morning is the bulb that is in bloom on my dining table. And I am going to do a quick watercolor sketch of that amaryllis bulb. I have some water, a little paper towel over here, and my amaryllis is bright red. So I'm going to choose a color that is bright red. I will mix in some oranges, and I can't wait to see how it doesn't bead up at all, and it doesn't dull down the color of the paint either. So that's exciting. I had no idea what to expect, so I have to say I am very pleasantly surprised. In true watercolor fashion, I am leaving some highlights, the white of the plastic in here. I also want to see if I can add little different colors, and if there would be a natural blending, as is the nature of watercolors. If the plastic would allow the colors to move the same way as it does on paper. Ooh. Oh, I love it. I had never seen plastic take watercolors this well. Like, if it says, whatever it says on that cover description of the material, it's very accurate. I can see it in action, and I'm loving it. I'm going to bring the stem down. The plastic itself feels buttery smooth for the brush and the paint to glide in. There is, of course, no tooth, but this is something I can get used to. Very smooth, very pleasant. And this is a whole lot of water. It would probably take longer than paper for it to dry. From my previous experience with Grafix Craft plastics, I can say that if I want, I can use a heat tool to dry the base colors without it damaging the plastic in any way. I am going to try to dry the layer in to see how it goes. The colors didn't just, move around, swim around from one end to another. They did dry on the plastic very well. And as I was using the heat tool, the hot air moved some of the paint. And I am coming back in to add some details. I don't want to add too much more because I wanted to keep that watercolor feel to it. So that is that. And this was Grafix Opaque White Craft Plastic in 0.010 inches thickness and 200 GSM. The size I cut out from was 12 by 12 inches, but it is very easy to cut, and I cut with scissors. I have cut it with trimmer, and if I hadn't seen it happen before my eyes, I would always believe that watercolor and plastics don't go together. Well, up until now. Now I am a believer. All right, I will see you in a future video with another exploration with graphics products. Bye for now.